All right, so we're going to do a little MindTrap question here, and I gave my class this, I gave you guys this yesterday, and so I'm going to give you the answer today, but for those of you that haven't seen this yet, if you want to give this a try, this is a very good MindTrap question. It's math related. It's actually, I think it's a bit of a tricky question. It took me about 25 minutes actually to get it. And it wasn't just trial and error, but I was trying to find an equation that I could use, some mathematical reasoning. So I'm going to show you how I figured it out, but if you want to pause the video and give it a try, I think you should do that. All right, I'm assuming that you've given this a try, or you just want to see the answer. So if that's the case, well, I will give you the answer. So the question says this: Candy Bar has 5 bags of candy to give her nieces. 4 of the bags have a total of 84 candies. The 5th contains 4 candies less than the average of the 5 bags. How many candies are in the 5th bag? All right. Well, what we're talking about here is we're trying to find the candies in the 5th bag, okay? And we're given that we have 4 bags that have a total of 84 candies, okay? So if we think about an average, because average is the linking term here. So notice that the 5th bag contains 4 less than the average. And so what we want to do is we want to write an expression for the average. Let x is going to be equal the amount of candies in the 5th bag. Okay, that's the way I did it. Candies in the 5th bag. And average is spoken of, that's the kind of connector between what we've got here. So this is the way I did it. I did 84 candies, okay, that's in the 4 bags, the first 4 bags, plus the amount of candies that are in the 5th bag. If you were to divide that by 5, it would equal the average, right? Yeah. Okay. Now, the average is also, watch this, there's also the fifth bag contains 4 candies less than the average. So the 5th bag is x, and if you added 4 to that 5th bag, you would also get the average.
I was so close.
So if you let these two equal each other, then you are going to have an expression or an equation here where you can solve for x. So again, the first 4 bags plus the 5th bag divided by 5 equals the average. And the 5th bag plus 4 equals the average. Because there's 4 less candies, x is average minus 4. So when you do this, you do your work there, you get, you multiply 5 by both sides, you get 84 plus x equals 20 plus 5x, and you multiply that in there. So we're going to subtract x from both sides. We're going to subtract 20 from both sides. We get 64 equals 4x, and x equals 16. So the amount of candies in the 5th bag is 16.
I got
16.2.
You got 16.2.
I got
Point.
exactly
Who's the lucky one to get 0.2 of a candy? That's good.
I was close with setting up the phone.
All right. So anyway, so there's your MindTrap question for today and the answer. Math is so fun.
If the answer was a decimal, that means that whoever was packaging it decided to take samples.
Yes, someone took a sample.
So close.
Like,
Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, check out MrMathWell.com, and who knows, you may find 0.2 of a candy there.
couldn't have said it better myself.